Today we're in Walmart talking about 10 budget-friendly meals that you can get so that you can feed your family no matter your situation. Let's dive into the conversation. You can get you some potatoes for $2.47 a pound, right? What can you do with potatoes? You can make some mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, fries. So no excuses. Come get you some potatoes, make some potato salad as well. Mayonnaise, onions, some garlic salt, make it so simple and easy for y'all. And you can never go wrong with pizza rolls. My daughter loves them. And you can get a pack of 50 right now for $5.56. No excuses. So pizza rolls can feed the family, feed your kids, and you can make it happen. And you can never go wrong with mac and cheese for the kids. My daughter loves mac and cheese. You can get a box, it's right here, for $1.24. Hey, make a meal, and you add some vegetables with that too. Delish. You can't go wrong with pasta. So you got elbows, a penne, rotini, you got the angel hair, all for 98 cents a box. And then you can't forget the spaghetti sauce either, y'all. Get you some ragu, different prices, but look, $1.86 for some ragu. So hey, you got you a meal, and then if you got some garlic bread as well, and some salad mix, mwah, less than $5 for your meal. And one of my favorites is the Mission whole wheat tortilla wraps. You can put some salad mix on this, some hummus, guacamole, mwah. It's so delicious, y'all. For a low price, you can get these right here for $3.58 for these right here. So if you don't like wraps, how about some black beans and rice? Now, it depends on how big your family is, small family, but the whole point is you get a bag of rice right here, the brown rice, for 88 cents, y'all. You can't beat that. You get you 2 bags, less than $2 for some rice. And then you can add some black beans. I like the refried beans. Oh, they're so delicious. Let's go find those. Get you some refried beans to go on your wraps, or you can have them by themselves for $1.88 Old El Paso beans. If you want to bake, get some flour, or you want to have some biscuits for your breakfast, or just anytime, get you some flour, $1.32 a pound, whether a small bag or big bag, you can make it happen. For breakfast, you have options, and you can't go wrong with pancake mix. $1.98 for this right here. Feed your family for low. Of course, I like to carry syrup because I'm a vegan, or you can just get some other normal syrup for your pancakes. And if you want something different, maybe like oatmeal. I'm not an oatmeal guy, but you can get oatmeal for different prices. $1.87 for the great value 10-pack right here, y'all. Can't beat that. And if you want a little more, something more warm, how about some grits? Can't go wrong with grits. Add you some butter, maybe some onion powder, garlic salt, maybe some pepper as well. But you can get that for $2.87. And my favorite, I'm a cereal guy. You can get cereal for low cost. I recommend getting the generic brand. I love the crunchy raisin brand, great value. These are my favorite. Get you some too for $2.76. You can't beat that, y'all. One of my favorite types of bread is Arnold's whole wheat bread. Bread can be expensive, but for this you can get $3.98 for a loaf. Like, man, this is the best in my opinion. So you can feed your family with PB&Js, sandwiches, anything that is low cost. Now, you may try to stay away from the processed food, but this is a good buy. Make sure you get some. One of my favorites is the apple juice, 100%. Like, not concentrate, it's like the best. Get you some for $3.94. Let me get the 2 of them, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause, hey, you get one, you gonna have some, I need some more of this. So get the 2 of them, you and your family can share, make it a meal. And if you want some, spice up your breakfast, get you some of the Simply Mango for $2.97. I think it'd be a value add to you and your family. Hey, I hope this episode was helpful for y'all. Get you some 10 meals that you can feed your family on a low cost budget, no matter your situation. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the show.